What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2022 Jeep Wrangler started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying key fob not detected. So what I'm going to do is take my key fob, and if I'm holding it like this, I'm going to use the top of it to press the stop start button. So come over here, press the brake in like you normally would. Then I'm going to take the top of my key fob and press the stop start button. And as you can see there, it will start, and then you'll be ready to drive as normal. And then you'll just want to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And if you're not familiar with how to do that, I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to change the battery in this key fob. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.